Chicken nuggets.
What I know is fabulous. Like so tasty.
It's very, very delicious.
I just walked in and I saw my Cameroon girl preparing. I said, "This is akara." I said, "No, it's chicken nuggets." But it's not like akara.
Delicious. Oh. The thumbs up. Oh.
Like this might be.
So guys, let's get into the procedure. I'll actually like to apologize because it was not really easy for me to do this all alone. I had to do the filming, the cutting and everything. So at a certain point the video might be shaky, guys. I sincerely apologize for that. Next time I'm going to take precautions towards that, and we're going to have a very lovely video. So just pardon me for that and follow the procedure. Let's see how we're going to have this chicken nuggets. Guys, for this recipe I actually did not use any equipment for it. So if you are at home and you want to do this and you have a blender, that will be ideal. So for those who do not have a blender, they should not feel left out, because you might feel because you don't have it, you'll not be able to come out with this. And that is why I came out with this process where I instead had to use milk to make sure that the bread was soft. So for those who have their blender, what you just have to do is you slice the bread, put it in your blender and mix with the chicken that you're going to, chicken breast or whatever part you're going to choose that do not have bones. So I actually went for the chicken that was already grind, so it was easier to have it in the supermarket. But if you have a blender, you can do all of this at home. All you have to do is you put in the bread in your blender, you blend very well, you mix it with your chicken, you blend, and then you add all your spices together that you have, be it dry or wet spices. Either of it that you choose, it's going to be ideal for the process. So I just had to make it in the easiest way so that those who do not have blenders should not feel like they cannot do it. So guys, I hope you enjoy the process. Let's follow. Guys, one thing I would like to add here is that for those who will be using milk, please make sure that you do not use it much, because when you use much milk, your consistency will be quite light. Like what we have on this video, I actually used a little bit much quantity of milk, and that is why the consistency is not really that thick. So for those who are using blenders, you are going to notice that you are not going to add anything on it. You're not going to add any milk. You just blend your bread and your chicken, and you're going to have a very good consistency, which is actually going to help you blend and can have a very good shape. So as you can see on the video, it was actually very light. So please make sure that you do not use much milk. And if you're blending, just know that you blend without milk. You blend just your bread and your chicken, and you mix all the spices that you have together. Mix them, and then you knead. Here I could not actually knead very well because of the consistency I had. So for those who are actually going to use a blender, you have the possibility of kneading, and before kneading it, please put a little bit of vegetable oil, like you actually saw what I did on the video. Put a little bit of vegetable oil, you knead very well, and then you cut it into very good shapes before you fry. I hope you actually enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And if you have any questions or doubts, please drop them at the comment section and I'll get back to you immediately. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being with me all through, and I will definitely keep on bringing good videos for us. So guys, just hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be able to get it immediately.